In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter your data by month in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a long list of expenses and felt overwhelmed, this simple, no-formula method will help you zero in on exactly the month you want to see. Start by selecting your entire table, including the header row. This is important because the filter will use those headers to create dropdowns for each column. Once the whole table is highlighted, click the filter icon in the toolbar. It looks like a little funnel. You'll know it worked when you see the small green filter indicators appear in your header cells. That means your table is now filterable and ready to narrow down. Next, go to your date column and click the filter icon in that header. In the panel that opens, choose Filter by Values. By default, every date in your table is selected. Click Clear to uncheck everything at once. Now, choose only the dates that belong to the month you want to view. In this example, I'll pick all the February dates. If your list is long, use the search box in the filter panel to type February or Feb so you can quickly find and select just those entries. Each date appears individually, so choosing only the ones from that month effectively filters your table to that month. Click OK, and you'll immediately see your sheet shrink to show only the rows that match the month you selected. Nothing is deleted. Rows outside that month are simply hidden from view. This makes it easy to focus on one month's expenses, spot trends, or copy just the filtered data if you need it elsewhere. If a number in your sheet summarizes data, remember it will now reflect only the visible, filtered rows, which can be handy for quick monthly totals. When you're done and want to see everything again, reopen the filter in the date column, click Select All to bring back every date, and then click OK. Your full table will reappear just as it was. If you don't see your dates grouped as expected, it may be because the date column is stored as text. Making sure it's recognized as real dates helps the filter list them correctly. That's it. No formulas, no complex setup. You've just learned a clean, click-only way to filter your data by month in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier, more focused view of your data.